Hey there, it's Fresh Roof. We're diving into the top 100 questions we get asked about roof maintenance and protection for your asphalt shingle roofs. What kind of results can I expect after the first application? The transformation is remarkable. Right after the first application, you'll notice your roof looks refreshed with richer, more vibrant color restored to your shingles. This is because Fresh Roof chemically reacts with the shingles to rebuild the essential oils they've lost over time. Beyond the visual improvement, the real magic happens in how your roof performs. The shingles become more flexible, reducing the risk of cracking, curling, or breaking. They'll also repel water more effectively, shedding rain, snow, and ice with ease. And because Fresh Roof strengthens your shingles' UV resistance, your roof is better protected from the sun's damaging rays moving forward. These immediate improvements not only extend the lifespan of your roof, but also enhance its ability to handle the elements. With Fresh Roof, you get both instant results and long-term protection.